Says I got a beach ball.
And another backpack and some yo-yos. And another way up.
Where's Tessa's backpack, Jack? Can you hand it to me?
What do you got, Tess? Thank you.
Let's see what this one says.
Ooh, that one's pretty purple.
What is that? What does this say?
This says
T-E-S-S-A.
it's first Tessa.
Tessa.
I want to play with this yo-yo. No.
You want to put your backpack on, Tessa?
I want to put my backpack on.
Here.
You can put my backpack on.
There you go.
Backpack's bigger than she is.
Well, let's put my backpack on.
Here you go.
Let's see if I can get back far enough to see that.
There we go.
There's backpacks.
Backpack.
The beach balls inside of backpacks.
What do you think, Tess?
Beach balls on my backpacks.
Yeah.
Pretty good fit, huh?
My backpack.
There you go.
And
Nice.
oh, got